Mr. Crypto Web3 Gaming.
Gamer, today I'm sharing with Boton Dojo Daily Combo for September 7, 2024. Okay, the first card is okay, this one, manage project. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then for the second one, which is this one, see, establish decentralized exchange. Okay, governance. Here we go. And then for the last pick, okay, go to here and then okay, this one, for this one. Okay, let's find out. Okay, this one. See, establish legal structure pala. I mean, okay. Here we go. This is the best 3 investment for or card for Boton Dojo in September 7. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.